So I've been getting tons and tons of messages of people asking, hey, listen, what's going on in the binary option space? What's working right now? What isn't working? And what can I actually implement to take it to the next level? So I wanted to share something that has been very helpful on our journey in the past as well as the present, and that will be helpful for you on your journey as well. If you're taking a look at this video, first of all, share this with 10 people that you want to see win big this year. And two, make sure that you are subscribed to our particular YouTube channel as well. All right. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show the RSI and Stochastic Strategy. I know there are a lot of videos out that say, hey, listen, pocket option strategy, for 2021, 2022. A lot of them end up revolving around what it is that I'm going to share with you right now. You just got on the app right now. This is what it will look like. Let's go ahead and begin. So I just hit the button on the bottom in the middle, and we're going to go ahead and add the indicators. So I'm going to add the RSI. You can keep it at a 14 period, but I've done it as low as a 5 period. All right, so we're going to work with that. And for the stochastic, you can keep that as is. 14, 3, and 3. So when you add that, that's how that will look on your actual screen. All right? That's how that will look on your actual screen. So this strategy is really simple. Let me see if I can change this up. Okay, and let's get our time frame. We will do the 1 minute time frame. So all you're really looking for with this particular strategy is the two stochastic lines to cross in the direction that you're looking to trade, as well as the RSI line to be crossing in the direction that you're looking to trade. So here's what I mean by that. So right now, the stochastic is crossing down, the two lines are crossing down, and then we have the RSI pointing below. So you might be in a position where you might have taken a quick trade at that particular time, right? But that's really what you want to be looking for. You want to look for those particular crosses. All depending on the time frame that you're on, you may see them more often than not. And here's why this wasn't the absolute best entry. Because you really want to take your entry when the stochastic lines cross at the top, when the stochastic lines both cross below from the top. Like, for example, these stochastic lines right here would have been crossing down below the 60 level, and you would have identified there were sales that took place right here. Yeah, so around that area right there, you would have identified that there were some sales that took place right there. So right here, we were still able to close in profit from an entry right about here. And that goes into what you also want to look for from a candle standpoint as far as what's taking place to be able to take that trade. The stochastic could have been in a better position as far as rounding out on the top, coming from the 70 level and below. But if you take a look at where the vertical and horizontal lines are right now, we have an engulfing candle pattern. We have an engulfing candle pattern, which simply means there was one candle that completely engulfed. The previous candle was completely 2 times or better bigger than the previous candle. And what was able to take place from here, we were able to have a quick sell-off. So it's really that simple. And as long as you're in a position where you're just boxing up the market and going with the trend, then from a newbie friendly standpoint, you could put yourself in a place to make some money. I'm going to make another video talking about one, how to keep a winning mindset when you're losing. And I'm going to make another video talking about the mindset that comes with actually trading binary options. I believe that you have to look at this a little different than trading stocks or trading Forex. You have to have a little more of a higher risk tolerance, a little more of what I like to call a gambler's mindset to really win big in this particular space. So you're not in a position where you actually get burned. But I'm excited. I'm excited to begin to post more content like this. Also posting content regarding mindset, personal development, and how to bounce back from challenges. So I'm super excited. Make sure that you share this video with 10 people that you love and care about. And I'm going to see you on the inside.